Quick video this one. I'm going to show you a comparison between the Bobber now and when it was naturally aspirated. When I first bought the Bobber, I just wanted a more comfortable bike, and it still is a really comfortable bike, but you just have to hang on a little bit tighter now. There's a saying, there's no replacement for displacement. You don't hear it so much anymore. That's because it's been proved wrong. It's been proved wrong by these guys and similar things. The amount of volumetric efficiency you can get from actually boosting an engine, turbocharging it, supercharging it, whatever, is phenomenal. The level of power an engine produces is governed by how much oxygen you can actually get into the cylinders and get the fuel to it and ignite it at the right time. A naturally aspirated engine is limited by the amount of air it can actually suck into the cylinders. Whereas a boosted engine, it forces air and oxygen into the cylinders, and with the right amount of fuel ignited at the right time, produces a much bigger bang. So it increases cylinder pressure and therefore the torque of the engine. There's something about the feel of the torque you get from a boosted engine compared with naturally aspirated. I'm not sure what it is, but it does feel different. With naturally aspirated engines, there's a great deal of work to actually get more air in and out of the cylinders. Whereas with a boosted application, it's much easier. And it's much more tunable as well for different applications. You can actually change the shape of your power curve. It's more a case of always being able to make more power. But the tricky bit is actually getting that power to the ground without everything else breaking. So a lot of the time, boosted engines will be tuned down from their maximum capability. So for now, I've got more than enough power up my sleeve. The challenge now is to make everything else cope with it. And the first thing's probably going to be me. I can't get to the drag strip yet, so I've been playing about with it a bit on the street as far as the speed limits will let me. And here's a quick comparison. Let's see. It'll be going on the dyno in a few days, so you'll be able to see the figures and what goes on there. And I'm also starting work on the original Bobber motor. I'm actually putting a low compression pistons in it so I can run 15 psi boost through that instead of 9. And then things really will start to get tested. Not sure when that's going to happen. That's a bit of more of an ongoing process, but I'm going to start work on that and keep you updated. Also, the Bobber vlogs on Instagram if you didn't already know. So all the links for all my links are in a description or on a channel banner. So don't forget to like, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and comment, because I will get back to you. And have a great day.